Never saw the marathon here before, so I thought I'd come on up. It was beautiful the last few days, and then we knew something was coming in, but they were the typical Northeast optimism was like, it's gonna be fine. Well, yeah, if it's been 100 inches of snow and 10 below, this is golden.
It's a wonderful experience to see people, they come up to you and they take water from you, and it seems easy at first, the elite runners come by, and then, the people that are pretty fast, and then suddenly, 20,000 people are running at you, and it's an awesome feeling when they're running toward you and they point at you.
We have maybe 10 to 15 runners today, all different abilities, men and women. Yeah, a lot of fun. We prepared somewhat, but not necessarily entirely for this cold snap, so a little chilly.
It's our first Boston Marathon. We're so excited to be here. We're watching the wheelchairs go, and it's really inspiring.